Hey boys and girls, so today I'm sitting in your classroom and I hope you all are missing your schools, yes. So children, today I bring you one riddle for you, that is, give me food and I will live, give me water and I will die. Again I am repeating this, give me food and I will live, give me water and I will die. What is the answer? Just guess, and whenever we are meeting in our online classes, please give me answers at that time. So children, today now we are going to do further exercise of chapter number 6, that is the three houses. So let us begin that. So children, today we are going to start with our further exercise, that is on page number 70, spelling words with a double consonant. Complete these words with double L, double T or double P. So children, you know the consonant? Yes, except of A, E, I, O, U letters, rest of the letters are called consonant. Double L, double T and double P are also consonant. So now here the picture is given and you have to fill in the words by putting double L, double T or double P. Okay, so let us begin that. So first picture is a full juice of glass. So can you see this? A glass is full of juice. So F-U dash dash. So full. We are pronouncing the sound L, means L. So F-U double L. Full. Right. Now second is, can you see a happy girl? Yes. So what we are pronouncing? Happy. So happy. So L double T or double P? P. Yes. So HAPPY. Happy. Now third is button. So BU double dash ON. Button. So which letter will come? Double T, double L or double P? So double T. It sounds tough. So children, there are many more such examples in your book that you have to done by your own, and if you stuck anywhere, you are always having PDF with you. So now moving ahead with some riddles. Now in these riddles you have to listen to it properly. It improves your listening skill, right? So listen this riddle carefully and give me answer, and at the same time sit along with your book and take the correct answer. Now the first is, I have large black patches around my eyes, over the ears and across my round body. My favorite food is bamboo. Who am I? So this animal is having a large black patches, means spot, around eyes, ears and its round body. And this animal love to eat bamboo. So any guesses from your side? Yes, it is a panda. Panda love to eat bamboo. Second is, I am one of the smart animals. I have two long ears. I pull cart and give rides to the people. I am cousin to horse. Who am I? Now this animal is very smart and it has a long ear like a rabbit, and it pull cart like a horse cart, bullock cart. So this animal also pull cart, and it is a cousin of horse, means it is look similar like a horse. So which animal it is? It is a donkey, right? Now moving ahead, the third one, it is very easy. I live in the ocean. I like to eat crabs. I can change colors. My 8 legs are called tentacles. Who am I? So children, this animal lives in ocean, means it is a water animal, and it can change colors, and it has 8 legs, and this animal love to eat crabs. So it is a octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Now, last one. I am small to medium sized animal. I have triangular ears. I am very smart. I am cunning. Who am I? So children, this animal is in medium in size, and it has a triangle shaped ears, and it is smart and cunning. So it is a fox. So tick on the answer, fox. Okay. Now children, we are living in the house. Yes, we all human beings are live in the house. The same way animal also need house. Yes, and why they need house? Because it protects them from sunlight, cold, wind, cyclone, thunder, and other big animals. Okay, so children, there are different types of animal homes. So let us see which animals lives in a which house or home. So first is cow. Children, do you know where does cow live? Cow lives in a shade. This is a place where the cow lives. It gives shelter to the cow. Then, where does frog live? Frog lives in a water or a pond. Yes. Now, where does dog live? But the special house which are made for the dogs are called kennel. This is a kennel. Now, children, where does snake live? Snake lives in a hole. Snake dig and make a hole into the ground, and it also lay eggs in it. Then, where does bee lives? Bee lives in a beehive. This beehive it has a hexagonal shell, and a honeybee lives and raises their young ones in this beehive. Okay, now where does horse live? Do you know, children? Horse lives in a stable. A stable is a building in which horses are kept. It divided into separate stall for individual animal. Okay. Now, where does birds live? It lives on a tree, but which is the special home? It is called a nest. Then, where does lion lives? Lion lives in a den. Den is a shelter for all wild animals. Most of the wild animals are lived in a den. Then, where does spider live? Spider live in a web. A spider web is a sticky net spider make from silk to trap their prey, and spider webs are very thin. Then, where does hen lives? Hen lives in a coop, a cage or a small enclosure as for poultry. This is the last one. Where does rabbit live? Rabbit live in a burrow, a hole or a tunnel dug by small animals, especially a rabbit, fox, and desert tortoise. So this is a burrow. So from top you can see a small hole, but inside they make a huge space for them. So children, there are many more such animals who are making their own homes. So you just find it out, and whenever we meet, just express your ideas and express your thoughts in that. Till then, goodbye.